Welcome to Eterna, a city where AI and biology unite in perfect harmony. Streets pulse with energy, bioluminescent trees whisper genetic upgrades, and ethereal drones ensure perfect health. Towering skyscrapers shimmer with shifting medical data, while the eternal bloom, a celestial tree of gold and stardust, rewrites life itself. Here, aging and disease are relics of the past. In Eterna, humanity doesn't just live longer, it evolves beyond time. Beyond Eterna's skyline lies the sanctuary of renewal, where medicine is no longer reactive but preemptive. She gazes at a glowing DNA helix, woven from pure light, endlessly evolving. Patients rest in bioregenerative pods, their cells bathed in golden energy, reversing time itself. AI surgeons of refracted light weave genetic perfection, crafting a future where aging is not a fate, but a choice. She stands on a mirrored platform of liquid memory, surrounded by shifting reflections, past, present, and infinite future. Nanobots flow through her veins, dissolving time's decay. Ethereal light weaves through the air, rewriting her very essence. In this dance of time's reversal, the past fades, the future unfolds, and immortality becomes reality. At the heart of Eterna stands the eternal bloom, a celestial tree of liquid gold and stardust, rewriting itself with every breath of time. She reaches out, feeling its pulse, millennia of knowledge flowing into her. In this moment, she understands. Humanity is no longer bound by time. We are not just living longer, we are mastering life itself. Eterna City glows with infinite possibility. She steps forward as time fractals unfold, glimpses of futures yet to come. AI is not our replacement, it is our ascension. The future isn't about living longer, but living infinitely better. I'm honored to work in the AI industry, shaping a future where technology and